Today in this video I am going to solve two differential equations from Edexcel International A-Level Pure Maths. Question 1 is about value of a car. When t is equal to 0, its value is v, and value of the car decreases at a rate, means in mathematics it is dv over dt. Decreases at a rate means take the derivative with respect to t, and if it says decreases, this is going to be negative. Proportional to means it is k times, k is the proportionality constant, v. By forming a differential equation, show that this can be written in that form where p and k are constants. That's the way to change that sentence from English to mathematics. Decreases at a rate is that one, and if it is decreases, you have to say that it is negative, and that is proportional to v. Now, if dv over dt is equal to minus k times v, to be able to solve this one, I am going to separate the variables. dv over v is equal to minus k times dt, and to solve the equation we have to take the derivative. We have 1 over v dv there, minus k dt there. So integration of 1 over v is ln v, and we have minus k there, and integration of dt is t plus the integration constant c. Instead of ln v, I am going to write logarithm of v to base e minus kt plus c, and v is equal to e to the power of minus kt plus c, and we can separate that one by e to the power of c times e to the power of minus kt, and say that that is equal to p. So v is equal to p times e to the power of minus kt. So that's the answer for car part A. Volume of the new car is, value of the new car is when t is equal to 0, v is equal to 18,000, and when t is equal to 3, value is 9,200. Find t when v is below 800. So first of all, 18,000 is equal to p times e to the power of minus k times 0, that is equal to 1. So p is equal to 18,000. So v becomes 18,000 e to the power of minus kt. Now I am going to use the second information there to find the value for k. When t is equal to 3, value is equal to 9,200. So 9,200 is equal to 18,000 e to the power of minus 3t. 9,200 over 18,000 is equal to e to the power of minus 3t. So minus 1 over 3 ln or 9,200 over 18,000 is equal to t. So sorry, this is k, t is 3, this is k, this is k. So K is equal to that number there. Let's calculate its value. K is equal to 0.224. So V is equal to 18,000 e to the power of minus 0.224 t. I substitute the value for P and value for T, value for K in the equation. So we know the value for V. How to obtain value of V when T is given. So there, find T. What is T when V is below 800? 800 is equal to 18,000 e to the power of minus 0.224 t. 800 over 18,000 is equal to e to the power of 0.224. So t is equal to minus 1 over 0.224 ln 800 over 18,000. So let's find the answer. Divided by 18,000. And the answer is T is equal to 3.62. So T is equal to 4 years. This is the answer for question 1, differential equations. I'm going to send the answer for question 1 to you and carry on with question 2. Yes. Let's carry on with question 2 and finish today's video. Let's clean the board. Have enough space. Yes. Let's read question 2. Water is poured into a container at a rate of 20 centimeter cube per second. So volume or capacity of the container is increasing by 20. At time 2 seconds, the water is leaking from the container at a rate of, we have to have a negative thing here because it is leaking out with 3 over 10 V. and we want to have such a differential equation. As you see, this is plus because it is poured into the container. This is leaking out, so it is negative there. And to have that one, we have to multiply both sides by 10. So we obtain the equation given in the question. There. We want to find v in terms of t, and we have sufficient information for the particular solution. So separate the variables here. I took that expression there and dt to the right hand side. Now second step is to do the integration. Remember, integration of 1 over ax plus b dx is equal to 1 over a ln ax plus b. That's the rule that I am going to use here. So 10 times 1 over minus 3 ln minus 3v plus 200 plus c is equal to t. So when t is equal to 0, v is 800. So minus 10 over 3 ln 2400 plus 200 plus c is equal to 0 minus 10 over 3 ln minus 2200 in the modulus sign plus c is equal to 0. So c is equal to 10 over 3 ln 2200. Because it's in the absolute value function, it becomes plus. So here minus 10 over 3 ln minus 3v plus 200 plus c, which is 10 over 3 ln 2200 is equal to t. We have to leave v alone. So minus 10 over 3 ln minus 3v plus 200 is equal to t minus 10 over 3 ln 2200 ln minus 3v plus 200 is equal to 3 over t negative plus ln 2200. I multiply both sides by 10 over 3 over 10, sorry, and minus 3v plus 200 is equal to e to the power of minus 3 over 10 plus ln 2200. So 200 minus e to the power of minus 3 over 10t plus ln 2200 is equal to 3v. So 1 over 3, 200 minus e to the power of 3 over 10 t plus ln 2200 is equal to V. 200 over 3 minus e to the power of minus 3 over 10 times e to the power of ln 2200 is equal to V divided by 3. I expand the brackets. So 200 over 3 minus, this becomes 2200 over 3 e to the power of minus 3 over 10t is equal to V. That's how we simplify V, and how that's the way to write V in terms of T. That's the end of the question. I'm going to send the picture of the question to you. And that's the end of the video.